Then you get, if this is the A with sprouted seed, you get another flask. This time we have the cotton wool, moist cotton wool here. Then you put here formalin treated boiled seeds. If it's beans, this place must also be beans. If it's maize, everything it will also be maize. The type of seed you use here is the same thing you use here. But the difference is that in this seed here are boiled and preserved with formalin or formaldehyde. Again, you use cotton wool to introduce a thermometer into the flask. We'll label the parts, the thermometer, thermometer. We have dry cotton wool, vacuum flask, boiled and formalin seed. So you are pointing to one right seed. This is germinating seed. Germinating seed. This setup is A, this setup is B. We have wet cotton wool, wet cotton wool. This explains all you are doing. When you are writing a procedure, you are only reporting the diagram. So let us use the diagram to explain what the principle behind this experiment. Thermometer is to measure heat generated in a body. We decided to use vacuum flask for the tool because it's capable of conserving the heat produced. We use cotton wool to insert the thermometer because cotton wool is not a conductor of heat, it's an insulator. It will not allow heat to escape. And cotton wool has spaces that will allow air to move in. And so the seeds are going to have supply of oxygen. Now, the difference between A and B, B is now the control, while A has they have living seeds, that is germinating seeds. While B, the seeds are boiled. Whenever you boil a seed, you kill the seed. So the seeds here are killed. And to prevent them from decaying or prevent microorganism activities, you have to put them in formalin. So formalin is a preservative chemical. It preserves the seeds by destroying the microorganisms. So you now put this experiment side by side, and at at interval of time, you read the thermometer, possibly hourly. Every hour, you read the thermometer, and you will discover that this one will be reading fluctuation in the environmental temperature, while this one will be reading the temperature added to that environment here. So you will experience higher reading in this one and lower reading here until it will come a time the reading will be a bit constant or falling again, and this will be explained later.